Today's topic is chromium, another trace element. Sources exist usually in trivalent forms in foods: meats, grains, some veggies, fruits, red wines, and beer, and certain spices. Digestion usually occurs, or primarily occurs, in the small intestine, particularly the jejunum. Diffusion, in terms of absorption, diffusion, or carrier-mediated transport, and or endocytosis. So there's a number of ways that absorption occurs with chromium. Factors that enhance chromium absorption: certain amino acids, vitamin C, niacin, picolinate. Inhibitors: well, if you take a lot of antacids, that could produce or create an alkaline environment, and that is not good for chromium absorption. Phytic acid from plant sources also inhibits chromium. Transport occurs by binding with transferrin in the blood, as a number of the trace minerals do. Albumin will transport chromium if transferrin is not available. There is some question or some thought that globulins, possibly lipoproteins, may also transport chromium. That is, if it's present in very high concentrations. Storage, we primarily see concentrations liver, spleen, bone, less in the kidneys, heart, and pancreas, and tissue concentrations tend to decline with age. Some of the functions: it potentiates the action of insulin, so it enhances it. Chromogulin is a biologically active form of chromium, and that is produced in response to insulin secretion, and that helps stimulate the uptake of chromium in the cells. It also may affect gene expression and maintain the structural integrity of nuclear strands. Deficiency is sometimes seen in patients on total parenteral nutrition. Normally you'd have a pharmacist checking the TPN, so that really shouldn't be occurring if somebody's paying attention, in my opinion. Oral supplementation with the trivalent form of chromium is thought to be safe, and that's the form also in food, up to 1,000 micrograms per day. Chromium picolinate, on the other hand, has been associated with chromosomal and organ damage, and for a while that was all the rage. It was one of the popular supplements. Assessment of nutriture: there are no tests available at this time. And that concludes the chromium discussion.